What's good, guys? Welcome back to Building My Dream House at 23 years old. My name is Jacob Blank. I've been wholesaling real estate since I was 16 years old. I got started back in 2019, and in just 2 years, I was able to become a millionaire by the age of 18 through wholesaling real estate. I've gone on to build a massively successful wholesale and fix and flip real estate business, and this is the first time that I'm building new construction. If you haven't seen the rest of the series, make sure to go watch the rest of the series on my channel. I knocked down this house. It was an older house like that, but way bad shape. I teared down the house, we bulldozed the house, and now we're building new construction here. I bought it for about $600,000. I'm putting about $450 into it. I'm gonna be into this property for about $1 million, and it's gonna be worth about $1.7 million when I'm done. So I'll make a bunch of money, have a bunch of equity in the property, but I'm gonna live in this house. This is my dream house at 23 years old. I've been wanting to get a house. So we'll go through here. What happened today and what the update is we finally poured the foundation. We poured the concrete for all the additions, the garage, and all the footings that we needed. So now that that's done, we're gonna go ahead and start framing. So next week we'll start framing and actually building the house up. So in about a week or two from now, we will have the shell of the house all framed up, and we'll actually be able to see what's going on. So what's cool is not only are we making the house bigger, but we're making the house taller. So all these houses around here, they're ranch style 1970, 1980 builds, and they have 8-foot tall ceilings. So the whole house is gonna have a minimum of 10-foot tall ceilings, and then we're doing vaulted, where in here, in the middle of the house, we're gonna have 16-foot high ceilings. So we're gonna have 16-foot high ceilings right here. That's gonna taper down. When it gets to the master, it gets to about 11, 12 feet. And then at the addition for the master bathroom and master closet, it gets back to 10 feet. So the house will be sloping from 16 down. It'll be like 13, 14 high ceilings right here, 12 feet high, 11-foot high ceilings. So the house is gonna feel very open. What's cool is all that's an addition. All this is an addition, so it makes the kitchen way bigger. All that's an addition, making this living space much bigger. All that right in the front of the property is an addition, making the living room bigger. And this garage was actually further back. So there was a carport, not a garage, and it started back here. We pushed the garage out forward, which is amazing. And so right here, there's gonna be a 16-foot sliding door facing out to the pool. In the master bedroom, which is right here, there's gonna be a 10-foot sliding door facing out. We got camelback mountain views that I'm gonna be able to see from my bed. So on Saturday, so in a couple days, they're gonna be pouring the concrete for the driveway and the patio. Now, once they pour the concrete for the driveway and the patio, all the concrete work is done on the house for them to start framing. After they start framing and they finish the framing, we then do electrical and plumbing and air conditioning, and then we do drywall. Then we have the shell of the property. The house is basically built. Now we just need to do the finishes, the flooring, the cabinets, the countertops, the paint. And that'll take about the framing, the electrical, plumbing, AC about a month, and then the finishes about another month. So we got about 2-3 months left of work to do. Now, while this build is going on with the house, I'm also working on the backyard. So once they pour the patio, we're gonna have the level of what the patio is, because we wanna match up that level with the basketball court that I'm gonna be pouring here. So next week, we're gonna be pouring a 30 by 45 basketball court right here, multi-sport court, pickleball, basketball, whatever you wanna do, we're gonna pour that right there. We just need to get the level of the patio before we can do that. We're also gonna be pouring a concrete pad over here and then pushing the shipping container on top of the concrete pad. Now you're probably wondering, like, why do I have a shipping container? Well, I got this shipping container because you can have an accessory unit on your property that you don't need to get permits for if it's under 200 square feet. This shipping container is 10 feet by 8 by 10 feet tall, so just under 200 square feet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put that on that concrete pad, and then we're gonna do a roof on top of it. We're gonna frame the inside of it, do insulation and drywall, and we're gonna add air conditioning to it. And then I'm gonna put sliding doors on the front, and I'm gonna turn that into a gym / a pool house. So I'll be working out in there, playing basketball, pickleball. We're gonna have turf all along here, and then you probably like the fence line's pretty low. You can see your neighbors. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do ficus trees every 3 feet, and those will give me more privacy. I'm gonna paint the wall white, and I'm gonna do rock and some more turf over there. And then once the house is framed and drywalled, once we have that shell, then I can do the pool. You wanna wait to do the pebble tech in the pool while construction's going on because it creates a lot of mess. So I'm gonna get that pool done. I already got new pool equipment going, about $5,000 worth of pool equipment, the nicest pool equipment. We did the water line tile on the pool, so all that's left for the pool is we gotta replace that light in the pool so the pool can light up blue, do the pebble tech, pool's done. Then we got this cool deck. So the cool deck would have costed like $8,000 to redo. So instead of redoing it, we're resurfacing it. So we're resurfacing the cool deck, costing a couple grand. And yeah, man, that really completes the project of what's going on here. I'm super excited, man. Just doing my first deal made all this possible. It took me 8 months to get my first deal with wholesaling real estate because I had no idea of what the right things were to do. So I was passing out flyers, knocking on doors, getting the door slammed in my face. I was putting up bandit signs on like telephone poles, and they said, "We buy houses cash," hoping somebody would call me. Never called me. It wasn't until I found the right process that worked that I actually got my first deal. And so at 17 years old, after 8 months of trying, I finally closed my first wholesale deal, and I made $30,000 on that deal. And then I went on to scale the business. So I say all that to say this. I hold a free 1-hour live training with me every single week where I show you my proven 7-step process that I figured out in order to do wholesaling successfully and consistently. So if you're trying to get your first deal, I'll show you how to make 20 grand on your first deal in the next 30 days or less. And if you're already doing deals, I'll show you how to scale up to do multiple deals a month. So if you want to learn from me and you want to get on a 1-hour mentorship call with me, all you got to do is click the link down below in the description, sign up. I do hold one of these live trainings every week, but there's limited spots. So make sure you click that and sign up. But other than that, guys, make sure you go watch the rest of the series of building my dream house. We've put out about 10, 15 videos about the process. There's videos of us ripping out the kitchen, all that. And then there's videos of the excavator coming in and bulldozing the house. There's videos of pretty much everything that's gone into this process, and it's been a long process to get to this point. I've been doing this now for about 4 or 5 months, and we got about 3 more months left, so there's going to be a lot more videos. Make sure you watch the old ones and stay tuned for the new ones that are coming out every single week about building my dream house at 23. And guys, all it takes is doing your first wholesale deal and you can do your wildest dreams just like this. So go out there, get after it. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you're not already subscribed, hit the red button and subscribe. And if you have any questions for me about real estate, drop them below. I'll be sure to answer, and I'll see you next time. Peace.